is correct.
Uganda kuhinguza amashomero ashatu agaragijwekyera omumpaka za Africa yona nobwo empaka z'amashomero ga primary okwetorora eihanga ryona kandi ezisingirwe ishomero rya Tororo Primary School hamwe na Parental Care Nursery and Primary School okurwa mu district ya Bushenyi agahatigarabiriho kwetaba omumpaka za Africa ezirabo mu eihanga rya Algeria omwaka ogu
twesimire ahabwo kusinga empaka za National Spelling Bee izibiriho Serena Kampala ekitumire twasinga n'okukora munonga okukwatanisa hamwe mu teamwork na n'okumanya values ningashi ebintu ebikutubasa okusinga ezikuleetamu ezirimu nka discipline ezirimu focus ate omwana yatiine emico mirungi takabasa kukwata eby'omwegyesa we yari kumwegyesa
abakugu batugambira eby'omwegi arikuganyirwa omumpaka ezi na munonga ebikwatiriine n'okushoma kwe hamwe n'entaranta
spelling bee neyamba munonga abaana okuba okweyikiririzamu kandi n'okuhandiika gye ebigambo ebyihikire baana bagarukamu ebibuuzo oshanga ekigambo namanya spelling yakyo nk'okweri kandi spelling egi niyo enshonga y'amaani.
Spelling bee helps with how you can, in your sentences, you can reply quickly, you can even in spellings in the examinations, and easily write because you know the words, you know their spellings, you know their meanings, and that's how it can enable you in your work and in your life. You can even in future, if possible, you can go and become a member of Spelling Bee and Juba.
Aha kutandika kw'omwaka ogu ishomero rya Parental Care Nursery and Primary School Bushenyi rikajwekyera omu mahanga 5 ga East Africa omumpaka z'okuhajana kandi abeija beetabira omumpaka ezi nibagira ngu bibiire bitanguhi.
So this what you see here is what we got from the National Spelling Bee competition at Serena Hotel in Kampala. This was not just got by sleeping early, eating or like that. We worked hard, slept late, and by the grace of God we have managed to get this.
And then as we move from one place to another, we meet different schools, they interact with the children from different schools. So you find that they come to know each other, they improve socially.
Parental Care Nursery and Primary School. We are here at Serena Hotel. We have come here for a tournament to compete with other schools to see how many people are going to represent Uganda in the East African. So as we are here, I have qualified for the second round. We are hoping for the best.
Aba bahirwe medali ekikopo hamwe na sente kandi nibija kuhebwa bendera okujwekyera Uganda omuri Algeria. Jonathan Amaro okurwa mu ishomero rya Tororo Parent School omu Eastern Uganda nuwasingire empakezi arokuratirwa Rwanga Peter kurga Pax Junior School rero bwanyuma arinitwe Leya okurga Parental Care Primary School yakwate cyakashatu kandi ababona bahirwe miliyoni 1.5 okubayambaho omukushoma kwabo gasha kwa Jeme Mhomuza